This was not the video that you're supposed to see. I normally have a series, and this was supposed to be the next video in a series where I play chess and explain my thought process. But instead, I'm going to be giving you some thoughts on Charlie Kirk and how that's affected me. And yeah, so what happened was 2 Wednesdays ago, not last Wednesday, but the previous Wednesday, I was live streaming like I always do on Wednesdays. I was playing some chess when Charlie was shot and killed, and people started talking about it in the comments. Now, when that was happening, my moderator asked me, "Hey, Nelson, how do you feel about everybody talking about this in the comments? Because we don't usually talk about politics on this channel. We focus on the chess." At the time, I remember feeling very awkward, and it was because I didn't know who Charlie Kirk was. Maybe I'd seen a viral clip or something, but I didn't even have a name to a face. I really didn't know who he was at all. And so I didn't know what to say. I think I said something stupid like, well, I guess let's just focus on chess. Like, I didn't know. I didn't know what to say. So fast forward, the stream ends, and I went to like see who is Charlie Kirk? Like who is this person that people are talking about? I wanted to see. Start watching some of his videos, some podcasts, pulled up his channel, and immediately I liked the guy. Now, going into that, I just want to point out I was completely unbiased. Before I started that, I didn't like him or dislike him. I didn't know who he was, right? But once I started watching some of his videos, I'm like, man, this guy's very likable. He was smart. He was obviously very passionate about what he believed in. And the biggest thing that I noticed about Charlie was that he was a Christian. He was a brother in Christ. He was very open about his faith. He's very open about his belief in Jesus, and that's the most important thing. There's a viral clip. Maybe you've seen it, maybe you haven't, but he was asked, what do you want to be remembered for? And he said, courage for his faith. And I could immediately connect with that as a fellow Christian. And that was cool. I also noticed that he would go around and just debate people that disagree with him, which is kind of neat. Like, you don't really see a lot of that now. It's usually like, if you disagree with me, just stop talking. Like, I don't want to talk to you, And so to see that he would go around and actually have these conversations with people is kind of cool. So this has hit me personally really hard and my family, because as a brother in Christ, as a Christian, he was out there boldly sharing Jesus with people. And that I'll just be honest with you, that is something that I personally struggle with, courage for my faith. I wish that I was more open, that I was more bold about sharing those things than I am. And so to see someone who's out there doing it, who is spreading, as a Christian, we call it the gospel, the good news. He's out there spreading that to people. For him to be killed, it hurts. It really hurts, guys. And so that's kind of where I've been the past few days. That's why I haven't posted any videos. And so I just wanted to let you know, I fully understand this is not the place for this kind of video. Like, this is a channel where I teach chess, and I understand that not everybody wants to hear me say this. And there's no doubt in my mind I will lose a bunch of subscribers from this. That's okay. I felt like it was important, and I appreciate you guys letting me share that and say those things. After this, I'm going to try to get back to the regular schedule of the normal videos where I teach chess, and this is not going to turn into a political channel, right? But something like this has never happened to me before, where I, in the middle of a stream, like, people start commenting, and then you find out about the person. You're like, wow, I really like this guy, but he's already dead. It was just the whole thing was strange. And so yeah, it's just been hard. And so I just wanted to share that. If you're new here, I usually teach chess. So if you want to learn how to play chess and get better, you can do that here. Thank you guys for listening. See you next time.